everyone, my name is Nur Syafiqah Binti Rahim. Today, I would like to present about our pair brand exercise tool with my partner Vijayah Suriya Varman, anak lelaki Manimaran. Our group will explain more about brand element within these two products, which is FNN and also Gardenia. Fraser and Neff Limited (FNN) is a Singaporean food and beverage publishing and former brewing and property industries conglomerate. It is owned by Thai Chinese business magnate. Gardenia is a strong brand in Malaysia. Gardenia also has produced a lot of kinds of breads such as the latest one, Butterscotch, Breakthrough, Delicia, Twiggies and many others. In order to satisfy different level of customer, every Gardenia product has its own special features.
Hi, my name is Vijayah Varman. I'm going to talk about brand elements. Brand elements are the unique aspect of your brand, like name, logo, color scheme, and create a cohesive, recognizable image for the business and extend into everything created. Brand element also help stand out from competitors, and brand elements are essential because they help develop a brand identity. So moving on to the next part, which is brand building contribution of brand logos and other non-verbal brand elements. The first one is it grab attentions. So a logo can quickly grab viewers' attention and communicate the company's core value in an interesting way. So when we see a Gardenia and FNN logo, we already know that if for Gardenia they say they sell like buns and bakery stuffs. For FNN is more to food and beverages. And the second one is it's the foundation of brand identity. It influences customers' emotion. For example, plain and simple color tones, fonts. These elements will later translate from logos into for all of your branding material, which create a concrete marketable brand identity. So when we see the FNN cans, we already know that without actually seeing the logo, we already know that it's a FNN cans. And when we see the Gardenia's packaging, we already know that it's a Gardenia's brand before seeing the actual logo of the brand. Thirdly, it makes a strong first impression. A logo is a company's first introduction to consumer. It designed well, it can pique the interest of the public and invited them to learn more about the company. This first impression is way to immediately communicate ownership over the products they sell. Okay, as the pictures that shown below, that is the display of FNN and Gardenia. As we can see, it's displayed pretty well to attract the customers and to make the products sell really quickly. And the fourth one is it's memorable. Logos are point of identification and they are the symbol of the customer used to recognize the brand. Ideally, we will want people to instantly connect the sight of your brand with the memory of the company's dust. And more importantly, how it makes them feel. It is because a good logo is a visual, aesthetically pleasing element. It triggers positive recall of the brand. As we moving on to the next part, which is how visual and verbal affect the consumer's memory for brand elements. First of all, when we talk about visual is branding refers to using visual that include image and videos. The importance of visual is it creates a memorable experience for the consumers. The second one is makes them trust the company, and last and not least, it encourage the referral and repeating business if the experience was great. The next one is verbal. Verbal branding is a strategic development of word to help business achieve brand objective. So the importance of verbal is create the critical middleware that bridges the gap between strategy and the experience. And the second one is tone of advertising messages and form it and express it. This is the example of Gardenia visual and verbal branding. As we can see on the pictures that include here, the first one is the advertising visual of the Gardenia, and the second one is the promoting a new bread to the consumers by include it in the package of the old one.
Anytime is sweetie time. GWIGEIS. Anytime is sweetie time. Anytime is sweetie time. Idamanku Bigis.
From the video, we can see that the colorful vision of the advertising and the tone and intonation that been used in the video to attract customers, especially kids. Next is the example of FNN in visual and verbal branding. As we can see on the pictures that include here, the first one is the picture shows the togetherness of a celebration, which makes people to buy on the celebration of festivals. The second picture shows the promotion of FNN during Hari Raya.
FNN Seasons dengan wajah baharu, rasa dan kesegaran yang sama dengan pelbagai perisi yang hebat.
As we can see on the video, the tone and intonation that used in the video can easily attract customers and make them buy their products.
Packaging is one of the important things to a certain product. Packaging itself can be a marketing project to the certain product. Also, packaging is part of the identity of the product line for a certain company. As for the FNN packaging, they have pretty durable packaging that really help to adding the plus value to the product. In Malaysia back in the day, FNN packaging mostly on using the glass bottle where it pretty hard to be taken anyway. And then the most important of the drinks using plastic bottle and can where it easy to be drink anywhere. So for me, the problem is where arise when the usage of the plastic bottle were deemed a problem to the environment. And then to help the company to sell their product, the company itself invests a lot of money to recycle campaign and also environmentally friendly product that where it really help to boost up the value of the product. FNN newly product creamer where they use the packaging like toothpaste product really innovate the market where the product itself really open the eyes on using other widely non-packaging type to the new and also to be improved. And then next one we have the gardenia where it is widely known for the bread product. When we talk about bread have a very short time period before it turns bad. The company have to focus on the quality and also the consistency of the product where it help on increasing the trust between consumer and also the company itself. The label is the key on how the company really focus on the presentation, not the consumer, but the supplier itself where the company built. And also, they use an attractive color in their packaging to attract more consumer. Gardenia itself have different color of label for different day of delivery and the label itself stated the expired date for the product.